Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your WhatsApp chat color. So let's start the video. First of all, subscribe the channel, like the video and hit the bell icon. So in this video very useful for you if you want to change color of your WhatsApp chat. So first of all, you have to go to the setting and click on the chat. After that, here chat theme, you have to click on the chat theme. Here you can see there are a lot of chat themes, backgrounds, anything. Like I'm going to show you each and everything. This is an iOS mobile phone. On an Android mobile phone there is also same thing but different themes or different colors. So it's based on your computer or your mobile phone, whatever you're using. Here you can see there are a lot of themes, dog themes, light themes, flower themes. First of all, I'm showing you all the themes here. After that, on the below you can see chat color and wallpaper. So we are going to change the chat color. So let's see, changes the chat color. There are many colors. I'm going to show you one by one. This is a green color, purple color, orange color, every color you can see on the screen. I'm changing. Which one suits you best, you can add to your chat. Hope so friends, you are enjoying watching this video. Please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon and watch many videos of this YouTube channel related to this. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. So here you have to set chat color. After you select your favorite color, you can set this chat color according to your own choice and flavor. So this today's video is about changing a color. Let me show you. I changed the color to the red and you can see on the screen I'm sending a message and my chat color is going to set red. Hopefully you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned for the new video.